Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this awesome mattress, okay? These mattresses come sealed up super small and dense. They're basically vacuum sealed and compressed. So you want to have 2 people to lift this. It's actually pretty heavy. If you get in king size, you get king, queen, full, and twin size, maybe even California king. This is a pretty cool mattress here. Now, when you are undoing the mattress itself, you want to be careful not to cut the fabric. So there's different ways you can do this. You just want to be careful not to cut the actual fabric on the mattress. You want to unroll it like that. Get this outer sheet off. Keep going. And then it's going to kind of start to spring open like that. Okay? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, now, this thing's folded like this and then rolled up. So you want to find which is the bottom and which is the top. It's already starting to fill with air, so you want to do this kind of quick. You're going to take it like this, put it onto the bed frame, so that you don't have to, but if you get it on the bed first, that makes it so much easier down the road. I'm going to open this up. It's easier if you have 2 people, obviously. Now that you have this kind of rolled out, you want to say, okay, this is the bottom, I believe. This is probably the top. I'm actually going to take this, spin it around. It's slowly starting to fill with air and decompress. Now, this comes with an actually fully zippered on cover. The entire mattress comes zippered on over your foam. This is the bottom. So you're going to actually want to take it. Lift it up like this. And then kind of unfold it like a tent here and lay it flat. Okay. Now once it expands, it's going to expand to like 13 inches, depending on the size, look at me, depending on the type of mattress you get, whether it's a 12-inch, 13-inch, 8-inch, 14-inch, it's going to literally, it's hard to believe, but this little tiny, like 1-inch wide piece is going to expand and get firm, but it takes up to like 48 hours. So it is recommended that you do this, let it sit for 48 hours before sleeping on it, maybe even up to 72 hours. Now you just have to cut off the remainder of the plastic. If I can remember where I put my little cutting tool here. That's the 3rd time I've missed it. Oh, it's right over here. This is where it's tricky not to cut the fabric. It's better if you have like a seatbelt cutter almost to do this with. The easiest way to do this though, it's going to really start to expand once you do this, is to cut one side down. Like so. Where you cut off the edge. And the other. See, now it's starting to just kind of come loose. Just cut that off. Cut off the top a little bit along the edge here. You just want to kind of peel it off like a banana peel. Are we on record? Okay, see now that's all cut off. Now, if you have 2 people, you can do this a lot faster. course, follow the directions here. Okay, now you kind of got it like that. Now what we're going to do is you're just going to pull it out from underneath. And you'll be left with just the mattress on your bed frame. I want to straighten it up here. Just like so. And this is a king, so it is quite large. Has nice hybrid layers of high density foam, memory foam, and I think it's gel infused, but don't quote me on that. And then it's got this nice mattress topper that's soft and cool to the touch.